Hi, this is Nathan's toy review, and this is Nathan. Say hi.
Hi.
And I'm Jackie, and today we're gonna be playing Roblox. Go get your Roblox. Okay. One, two, three. Here's one right here. Here's one. I don't know if you guys could see it. We have more. We have all these little pieces. There's this. This. They're kind of like Legos.
I'm telling you, I can't see my Transformers.
No. A hat for the workers. Some hair.
You told you that.
Legs. Some pieces, a scarf, and an arm. We have like a couple. We have like 20. But my little brother Nathan tore them apart. See? They're in little pieces. Those are all of them. And there's more. We had the chicken guy, but we lost him. See? Chicken guy. We have the pirate. This. We had the high school girl and the pizza worker on Roblox. We have this guy. The robot. What else? We have this guy. We mixed and matched him. We have Mr. Bling Bling, but we tore him apart. We have some of the ninjas. Yeah.
Go here.
We have a lot of these. Our max is to get 6 minutes. We have the skateboarders guy. See? Roblox. We have the sword. We got this from the robot guy. I found another arm.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Another arm.
Give me the arm.
The same arm, but a second one. I like this sword. It's my favorite.
I like this green sword too.
Yeah. Show yourself, Nathan. He's shy sometimes. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Bye.